Hello, YouTube. How are you all? Today I'm here with a very beautiful Christmas ornament idea, and it is a very beautiful ball made with glittery foaming sheets. And these are the sheets you will need, and you will need a paper straw to make the base of the ball. You will need scale, scissors, and these sheets. So about 1 centimeter, you will cut a strip and you will wrap around the paper straw. And make sure you twist the sheet very well so that the straw will not be visible. And wrap it properly and make a small stick. After wrapping it carefully, we will measure the size of this stick, and the size of this red stick will be 5.5 centimeters. And you will measure it with scale because after measuring properly, it will make a cute ornament. Now let's measure it with the scale. It's 5.5 centimeters. Now we will join and we will measure two small circles which is about 0.25, and we will join it with the stick, with the red stick, and this is the base of your ball. Now we will make small pieces, small boxes of the both colors, red and white sheets. It's about 1.5 from both sides. You can see I'm measuring it, and now I will cut these small boxes. The size of this box is 1.5. You can see, and you will need about 50 to 58 boxes, these squares you can say, and you will join it like this with the help of hot glue, and these squares will make a very nice and beautiful strip which will help you to make a very nice ball because you will join these strips together. The size of your strip should be about 8 centimeters, and we are measuring it because it will make a perfect ball, because if it is longer it will not attach to the base of the ball. And you will need about 9 or 10 strips. I used 8 to 9 strips, and now I'm about to join it like this. Join the strip on the top of your base with the help of hot glue like this, and you will keep joining these strips together. When we will attach these strips together, and it will automatically start giving the look of a very beautiful ball. Okay, now I'm going to make a hook and I will take some thread and it is a double thread. I will wrap it around with the glittery sheet and I will make a hook so that I can hang it. And it's very helpful to hang the ball. And I will also apply hot glue. I will cut it and then I will join it with the ball. And now it's very easy for me to hang the ball. I hope you like my video and I hope you also love this craft idea. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.